Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Helea smart plug. First, carefully unbox your new smart plug and make sure you have everything you need. Next, find a suitable wall outlet within good range of your Wi-Fi router and plug in the device. Once plugged in, check for a blinking indicator light on the plug itself. This light confirms the plug is ready to enter pairing mode and connect to your network. Now let's get the Helea Smart app. You can easily find and download it from your phone's app store. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account or log in if you already have one. After logging in, look for the Add Device option, usually represented by a plus sign. Tap that, then choose Smart Plug from the list of devices to begin the connection process. The app will guide you through connecting the plug to your Wi-Fi network. Remember, Helea smart plugs typically work best with a 2.4 GHz network. If you encounter issues during pairing, simply reset the plug by pressing and holding its power button for about 5 seconds until the light blinks rapidly again. Double-check your Wi-Fi password and ensure your router is working correctly for a smooth connection. Once connected, you can integrate your Helea smart plug with popular voice assistants like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant for hands-free control. Imagine turning on your lights or coffee maker with just a simple voice command. This adds incredible convenience to your daily routine. Also, for those looking to streamline their kitchen, check out the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy the ease of your new smart home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.